Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Siesta Coleman here. Today we are concentrating on cleaning my kitchen and my nook area. It was not too bad, just had things everywhere, and I have some guests coming over tomorrow for my daughter's third birthday, so I wanted to do a little bit of cleaning. Also wanted to make sure that everything was put away in its right places, so that way when I wake up the following morning I can mop the floors and do a little bit of cooking. I'm not really gonna cook a lot for her birthday. My father-in-law is doing the meat, and we're just doing the potato salads. So we are going on our third week in our new home, and I still haven't really decorated. I kind of picked up some things here and there, like some of the boards that I have. The backsplash of my stove, I purchased it from Ross, and I went to Home Goods and got some other things, so you're gonna see a little bit here and there, but I haven't really decorated much because I don't know what decoration or theme I'm really going for. I was thinking of more of soft colors, and I honestly don't want to start decorating until I get everything in its right places. Like this weekend, I'm concentrating on unboxing everything that I kind of shoved to the corner of my master bedroom. So you guys will see that in another video of me unboxing those boxes and trying to find a home for it. So for those who are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I am a stay-at-home mom now. I just got out the Navy about 10 months ago, and I've decided to stay home for a little bit to raise my kids. I have a 3-year-old now, and 1-year-old, and the soon to be 8-year-old boy. And I love being home with them, but sometimes it's like you can't really do anything because they are on demand, especially my toddlers. But I love them so much. I do enjoy it. And guys, a lot of my cleaning and recording is happening at night. And I do apologize if the lighting is bad due to me recording at night and there's not really a lot of lighting. I'm using my lights, but I wanted to just let you guys know that yes, it's during the days I'm with my girls and I'm trying to keep them entertained, so my house is a mess. So if y'all can relate to me, my cleaning happens at night, and sometimes I'm so motivated into cleaning that I lose track of time, and once I'm done, it's like almost 12 or 1 a.m. So far, I am loving the new home. If you guys have any ideas of what you guys would love to see on my channel, let me know in the comments down below. And also let me know what you guys want me to talk about while I'm doing cleaning videos and my voiceovers. If you guys want to talk about a subject, let me know, and I can definitely try to do that. So the spray I'm using here is Libman. I think that's how you pronounce it. Correct me if I'm wrong. I got it from Kroger's and is a stainless countertop and I believe tile cleaner, if I'm not mistaken. But yes, that's the cleaner I am currently using for my counters in my stainless steel, and I'm just loving it. It has a really soft scent to it, and I really do love it. So my kitchen knife set is from Amazon, if anyone was wondering, and those two cutting boards are from Ross. I picked this up from Ross, and I had the medicine smasher a while back when I was in California. That's from Ross also. And my utensils are from Ross with the kind of grayish holder. That's where all my utensils go. And my board that I have the soap sitting on and the flower vase on is from Ross also. And my counter stools are from Home Goods. I got 3 of them and each of them was $149.99, which was a great price because I was looking online and the ones that I liked, they were asking like $350 to like $450 each, and that was just out of my budget. So when I went to Home Goods and I saw those, I was so happy. I went back the next day and purchased them. I was so happy that it was still there and nobody had gotten it. You guys, it's something about cleaning the sink that is so satisfying after you wash all the dishes. I don't know if you guys enjoy cleaning the sink too, but I totally enjoy cleaning it, and it's just nice to have it clean. And when I'm done cleaning, I like to squeeze fresh lemon into the dispenser and the drain, and I put some lavender essential oils into it just to make it smell so refreshing, and I just love it. You guys, my daughter was still up with me while I was cleaning the house. She kept me accompanied and she was just doing her own thing, and she was helping me here and there, bringing me dishes that was in other places that they put their cups and stuff at that I didn't know, and that was just nice of her also. And yes, it just smells so refreshing after everything was put away and cleaned. So I really don't like using my dishwasher. That's why you guys can see my dishes that I washed on my countertops. And usually when I wake up the next morning, if it's not dried all the way, I'll just dry it and then put it away. I do try to use the dishwasher at least once a week because sometimes I think if you don't use it, it kind of starts smelling kind of moldy, or I don't know exactly what the smell is, but it just smells weird. So I try to use it once a week. Once I was done with the nook area and the kitchen, I started picking up things that was on the floor, working my way into the living room. But before I did that, I started to vacuum up the floor first, so that way I have some clean floors when I wake up in the morning, because I plan on mopping before all the guests gets here to celebrate my daughter's 3rd birthday party. You guys, don't mind my floors. They were so dirty. And I was just about to start mopping when I was done vacuuming or sweeping up the floor, because my husband was like, it is time to go to bed. It's late, and just get up in the morning and continue what you're doing. So the living room wasn't too bad. It just had things on the couch, like jackets and my purse, and it was not as hard to clean up. I just had to pick up stuff that was on the floor. The decoration you see on the TV stand, those I had when I was in California, and I'm not using it, so I think those are going to go to Goodwill right after I do another load of Goodwill items, which is going to be the 3rd truck, because we've already Goodwill 2 full trucks already. And I have a coffee table next to the window. That one I am also going to Goodwill it. It is too big for my living room space, so that little octagon coffee table that you guys see is from Ross. I got it for $150, which was a really great deal. And thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.